Hello YepCoders! We are excited to present you with a new video where we'll share some improvements we've made to one of our most interesting features, YepCode CLI, our command line interface. With the YepCode CLI, you can work from your local machine to develop and execute your processes, and then you can upload them to YepCode Cloud to schedule them, invoke webhooks, and make the most of all the auditing capabilities. Our CLI is an npm package that you can install. Obviously, you'll need a YepCode account to use it, however, it's openly available and you'll find all the command syntax on the npm webpage. In this video, we'll show you how these latest improvements in our CLI allow you to work with multiple YepCode teams. Imagine you have your team in YepCode, in this example case named Muino, which could be your workspace, our development or staging team. Then, you have another production team that only has credentials for the production environment to avoid sharing sensitive data within development environments. So let's see how the CLI allows us to work synchronously with these teams. First thing we'll do is log in with our CLI. Alright, we've logged in. Now we can clone our team. In this case, we'll clone the first of them. This downloads all the processes and versions, something we've also included in the latest updates, so you can have the versions of your processes or modules locally. Here we can see our process code, for example, a hello world with its different versions, or the different modules and credentials, always keeping sensitive data in the YepCode Cloud, which is crucial. Let's say we want to make some changes to a process. YepCode allows you to see the status of the changes as it indicates if they are modified. Even if you make changes in the YepCode Cloud, it will notify you of any conflicts and allow you to resolve them. Here, we can do a YepCode pull. It will ask us if we want to override it. Say yes, and it's overridden. We can even duplicate a process, something that couldn't be done before. We can copy it, paste it, give it a valid slug name, and delete the previous versions. This example could be a hello world. So now, when we do a status in our CLI, we'll see that there is a process that only exists locally, and we can add it with YepCode add. If we do a status now, we'll see that it's new, only locally. Then, when we push to our cloud, we'll see the hello world process in YepCode. When you finish working with your team in development or staging mode and want to promote those changes to production, you simply have to use the YepCode remote command. We can see that there is an add or a set, so you can add another team using YepCode remote add. For example, with YepCode remote add MU in production, we add the production team. If there are changes in variables that aren't in the new team, you can choose whether to delete them or not. In this case, we say no. When we do a status, we see that there are no processes in the production environment, but there are processes found locally that belong to the development team. We use the YepCode add command again to add all these processes and modules to the production team. When we do a YepCode status again, we see that they are new locally, but not uploaded to production. When we push, all the changes we have locally are uploaded to the production environment. so we can switch between production and development teams. With the YepCode remote set mu command, we'd go back to our development team, allowing for an efficient workflow between different environments. What we're doing with the CLI can be easily integrated with GitHub Actions or Bitbucket pipelines to deploy changes between your YepCode teams using CI/CD cycles. This way, you can restrict access to the production team, which will have the credentials configured for this environment and develop in other environments like develop or staging. This is very interesting to ensure security and efficiency in development. We hope you have enjoyed this new video about the YepCode CLI. Stay tuned for more content. Happy coding!